How to join a channel membership on YouTube Mobile. Hello everybody. If you're wanting to join a channel membership on YouTube Mobile, you can follow the steps. So for that, you can head over and open up YouTube in your device. And once you are there, what you're going to do is, once you are there, you can head over to the channel that you would like. For example, this channel right here, tap on it. Once you head over to the option of the channel, you will be finding subscribe and join option. So if this feature is not available yet, it may be because that subscription option is not available in your region yet. So that may be one of the reasons. Otherwise, you can go ahead and try accessing from laptop, because the channel membership is very limited option. It may not be available in every mobile devices. So if it is available, you can tap on this join option. And once you tap on it, here you will be given different membership options. You can look off to the one that you can afford or that you are happy with. Just go on with the process of choosing the membership. After that, tap on join. Go on with the payment method and you should be getting the membership of the channel on your YouTube mobile. So that is it for now. That is how you join a channel membership on YouTube mobile. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.